Dear friends, we are studying central tendencies. We have studied mean and mode. Let us understand what does the median means. Now see, the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in increasing or decreasing, not necessarily an increasing or decreasing order is called median. Means, example, if you are given the information 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please note, here we are going to consider median of odd number of observations. Here number of observations are 7, means the number is odd. So this year in 7th standard we are going to study only odd number of observations. How to find the median of odd number of observations. Now see, I am again repeating the definition. The value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So let us arrange this data in increasing order or ascending order. If you arrange this data in ascending order, you will get 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have written all observation. Now see, this side 3, this side 3. This value is the middle value. This middle value is called median. See the definition, again I am reading. The value which lies in the middle of the data. This value lies in the middle of the data when arranged in increasing or decreasing. Even if you arrange the information in decreasing order, still we will get the same information. This value is called median. And in 7th standard we are going to study only median of odd number of observation. If it is even, then the rule is different. The value of mean, mode and median lies between minimum and maximum value. You can note here median lies between minimum value and maximum value. Hence, they are called central tendencies. All mean, mode, median are called as central tendencies. Now, we have studied mean is equal to, let us revise, mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. Then we have studied mode. Mode means the observation which is repeated maximum times. More frequent observation. More frequent, or you can say the observation which is repeated maximum times. And median means middle observation. If arranged in ascending or descending order is very important here. If you don't arrange the information in ascending order, then median will not be the middle observation. Dear friends, in book they have taken this, try this. Your friend found the median and the mode of the given data. Describe and correct your friend's error if any. So he had for this data he found the median 42 and mode 32. Let us check whether our friend is correct or not. Solution. So we will have to first write the information in ascending order. So ascending order of data is lowest among this is 32, is repeated 2 times. Then comes 33 is not there, 34 is there. Then comes 35 is 2 times, 35. Then comes 38. And lastly comes 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have already studied. Mode means the more frequent number, or you can say the number which is repeated maximum times. Here 32 is repeated 2 times, 35 is repeated 2 times. Hence 34 is 1 time, 38 is 1 time, 42. So mode is equal to 32 and 35. There are two solutions for this. Then median means middle value. Let us check. Total values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So middle value will be the fourth value, that is equal to 35. So our friend have written median is equal to 42, which is the wrong answer, and mode is equal to 32. His mode is correct, but that is half answer only. Dear friends, in median we are solving example number 7. Find the median of the data. Please note, this year we are going to study only median of odd number of observations. So median of the data, for median of the data we need to organize the information. Please understand, this is not a proper organized information. So let us organize the information. So to organize the information we write in ascending order. Ascending order of data is. So lowest among this is 17. Then next comes 18. Then next comes 24. Then next comes 25. Then comes 35. Then comes 36. And lastly comes 46. Please check whether we have written all information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, from this, you will understand median means middle observation. Median is equal to middle observation. Middle observation. Now, for this we have, if n number of observations are there, then n plus 1 divided by 2. Here 7 observations are there, 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 8 upon 2, so fourth observation is equal to median. You can use the formula, or you can directly by counting find the middle observation. If you find this method difficult, you can directly find the middle observation. So median is equal to, fourth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth number of observation. Hence median is equal to 25.